Hey, we've got a switch here where the SD card randomly stops working when you hold the console. That usually means there's a bad connection somewhere, so let's check it out and get it fixed. Sometimes it can be the SD card slot itself or even the SD connection on the mainboard. We'll take a closer look and see what's going on. On closer inspection, it looks like one of the pins is damaged. When I removed the SD card reader, the pin actually came off with it. Let's rebuild the pin and see if that sorts the issue. Let's do a quick test before we put the full case back together just to make sure everything's working properly. It's looking good. After pressing on the back a few times, no errors are showing up. Let's get it back together and give it another try. Everything's looking solid now. Job done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a like if you found this helpful.